I'm Jan Howell from YouMakeItSimple.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable DIY Valentine heart branches. This is a quick and simple project. The kids can help, and such a cute Valentine home decoration. Let's get started. To make your Valentine branches, you'll need cardstock paper, different colors, pinks, whites, and reds, a paper punch, or you can of course cut these out by hand if you want to. I love this little set of heart punches. There's 3 different sizes that come with that. You'll of course need your branches that you have cut, a pair of pruners to cut the branches with, a sewing machine, and a simple mason jar to put your branches in. So I have cut out a bunch of different hearts, the bigger size and this medium size. All you're going to do is stack 2 hearts together. We're just going to sew this down the center of the heart, starting at the bottom tip up to the notch. If you hold the threads on the first couple stitches, you won't have that thread nesting underneath. So all the way to the end, turn your hand wheel towards you to lift up the needle in the most upright position. Then you can lift up the presser foot, and that allows you to pull out the threads. So we want to leave a long chain so that we can tie it to the branch. Clip off the threads at the bottom of the heart. And then just open it up. Finger press it, open, and you have your hearts. You can sew up as many of these as you want on your tree. You can do all one color. You can mix and match different shades of purples, pinks, and reds. Just start tying the hearts to the branches. These little buds are a great place to tie them. Just wrap it around a few times and make a knot. Trim off the excess threads. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Make sure you're subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure you're clicking on the bell in the notifications to make sure that you are updated on the new videos that I put up. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.